We have lost a hero to our glorious cause. But that is foreshadow of defeat? No, it is a new beginning. Compared to us Federation, the national resources of Zion are less than 1/30 of theirs. Despite this, how they try to fight strong? It's because our goal in the is one. It's been over 50 years since the rest of us, consumed by greed, took control of the Federation. We want a freedom. Never forget the time when the Federation had trampled us. We, the Principality of Zion, have had a hard struggle to achieve freedom for all citizens of our great nation. My beloved brother, Karamazov, was sacrificed. Why? The war is at a stalemate. Perhaps many of your computations, such a lack of compassion with. The Earth Federation has proved of planet for their message, but not composed of words. We have met that message. We need action now. This description. This is only a beginning for us. We have been very stronger. The Earth Federation has done the same. Many of your father and brother have presented their face to a complete enemy. We must never forget what the Federation has done to our people. By focusing on anger and sorrow, we are finally in a very grasp. Became our nation will flourish. Victory is the greatest tribute we can pay those who sacrifice their lives for us. Rise, rise, take your sorrow and turn it to anger. Zion stands for the strength of its people. Zikjian, 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 Zikjian.